Hello, I'm Luc Bouchard, and this is a video that I've inspired to create to talk about unworthiness and how I've kind of come to terms with how the belief of unworthiness shows up in my life. And I'm going to be using a teaching tool that I haven't used for many years, that I developed myself, but I haven't used it for many years. So let me just get that set up right now. So I'm just going to slide something in front of the lens here and put it there. And often when we see the world or we believe we're unworthy, we actually see the world through a lens. And that lens is often kind of a bit murky. It's not crystal clear. It's muddied at times, not unlike this lens that you're seeing. But the lens is less important, and what is more important is what is actually written on that lens. What does that lens say to us about ourselves? And as you can see from here, I have the word unworthy on it because that is how I see the world. I've written in some of my Facebook posts about putting on the lens of unworthiness, where I have this like right in front of me and it's like in front of my eyes and I don't see it. Well, the way that you get away from the lens of unworthiness is to write out all your thoughts about how you feel unworthy. Write out everything. Set some time aside and just journal and write those down about where that shows up in your life. And it doesn't matter, it can be unworthiness, it can be about feeling unloved, unlovable, feeling that you have to protect yourself, whatever it is, whatever faulty belief system you have. I highly recommend you write it out. Because when we have this lens that we see the world through, we don't see it. It's like right there, and we don't see it until we actually step back, put it back, put it back, until where we can see it at a distance. And I just know that this has actually really worked for me, this idea of writing stuff out and looking at it. And that has brought me a lot of peace. And it's that peace that has allowed me to actually talk about this on my Facebook post, because there's no way in hell I would have talked about my feelings of unworthiness unless I had some distance from it. So, highly recommend you do that if you are feeling like you are troubled with not feeling worthy or unloved or anything else. It is something that you can do to basically make yourself feel better. I'm Luc Bouchard. Thank you so much for watching this video.